So in this video, I'm going to show you how you put your filters on your drone. Now, obviously, it's a very fragile thing, so be ever so careful, guys. And what I found really is to have the drone closed up when you're doing this. So what we're going to do first, we're going to remove the filter, well, the lens cover that's already on the drone at the moment. And it is a bit of a fiddle, so just get hold of the camera itself at the front there, just twist it anti-clockwise and it honestly just comes off like that. I can't believe how easy it is. Now, some of the drones I used to have, God, it used to take ages, but this anti-clockwise, and when you put it back on again, clockwise. So that's pretty easy. Hopefully that's given you some idea. And what I'm going to do now, I've been sent these filters from FREEWELL. So first of all, I want to thank FREEWELL for letting me use their filters. I've got a day, well, a bright day, all day, and a UV. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what you're to get if you get the FREEWELL lenses. Now, I heard they're pretty good. I've seen quite a few sites actually get the FREEWELL ones, so they must be that good. So in the box, you actually get the little case with the filter in it. And inside that, you get like a little envelope. And on the back, you got your guarantee there as well, your warranty for the filter as well. And what I've done, just in case you think, hang on a minute, I've actually cut the top off to make it a little bit tidy. So in the box itself, in this little envelope, you got a sticker that you can stick on your case. You've actually got on the back here, if I can put it the right way around, is that you've got a QR code there which you can scan, and it would give you all the information about what you need to know, what is AESA and things like that. Because to be honest, guys, I'm pretty new to putting filters on a drone. I don't really like doing that, but with this, because FREEWELL has been so kind and sent me these, I'm going to go into this quite big and try out all the ND filters and these other filters that's been given to me. But yeah, so that's what you get in each case. And also you get a little cloth, obviously, to keep your lens clean, because it is a little bit difficult. I'm not going to mess about with that too much now anyway. So in the case, we've got the filter. Yes, we've got let's get this right, the UV filter. I'm just going to take it off. Now, there's obviously a few videos out there telling you what you can do, but what I found is that the FREEWELL part is going to be at the top. So we just pick up the drone, just grab that camera, and then it goes at a slight angle, twist it, and that's it, it's on. Like I said, just fingers, twist anti-clockwise, and it just comes off just like that. But make sure that when you put it back on, you just twist it, and that's it. So what I'm going to do now is just going to remove the UV filter, put that there, and put back the Mini Pro filter, and making sure that you've got it the right way up. Just put it on, you heard it click, it's in position. So hope you found that useful. What I'm going to do now, guys, is in the next couple of videos, I'll be trying out these filters. And I think, to be honest, when you're trying out ND filters, I don't think there's really any set settings for it. I think it's more about experimenting, depending on how bright it is or how dull it is, and also depending on how you want to edit it. So, as always, I hope you found that useful. And if you've got any tips that you would love to pass on to me, that would be great, because I do get a lot of people. I don't always get it correct. I do sometimes get it wrong, but it's always good. This is what I love about the drone community. We're here to help each other out. So, catch you on the next video.